The roots of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. We are to find this product alpha plus 1 on alpha times beta plus 1 on beta. Take down solution. First thing, we are going to start by comparing the given quadratic equation with the general form of a quadratic equation. Comparing 3x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 with general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Performing this comparison, a, which is the coefficient of x squared, will simply be equal to 3, comma, b, which is the coefficient of x, will be equal to negative 3, and c, which is a constant, will simply be equal to 1. If alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, then the sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to negative b on a. This will simply be equal to negative, put the value of b, which is negative 3, all over a, which is 3. This will simply be equal to negative becomes positive. This will give us 3 divided by 3, which is 1. The next, we need the product of roots, that is alpha times beta. The product of roots is simply equal to c over a, and this will be equal to c is equal to 1, a is equal to 3. This gives us 1/3. We know alpha plus beta. We know alpha times beta. Now we can proceed to find this product. If we take alpha plus 1 over alpha times beta plus 1 over beta, these will simply be equal to, expanding these brackets, alpha times beta gives us alpha beta plus alpha times 1 over beta gives us alpha on beta, plus we take 1 on alpha times beta gives us beta on alpha, we take 1 on alpha times 1 on beta gives us plus 1 all over alpha beta. This will simply be equal to alpha beta plus 1 all over alpha beta plus alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. This will simply be equal to, we know that alpha times beta is equal to 1/3 plus 1 all over 1/3 plus, we have to add these two algebraic fractions. We need to start by finding the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of beta and alpha is alpha beta. Alpha beta divided by beta gives us alpha. Alpha times alpha gives alpha squared plus alpha beta divided by alpha gives us beta times beta gives us beta squared. This will simply be equal to 1/3 plus the reciprocal of 1/3 gives us 3 plus alpha squared plus beta squared all over alpha beta. We know alpha beta is equal to 1/3. This will simply be equal to 3 here can be expressed as 3 over 1. The LCM of 3 and 1 is simply 3. 3 divided by 3 gives 1 times 1, 1 plus 3 divided by 1 gives 3 times 3, 9 plus the reciprocal of 1/3, 3 goes up plus 3 times alpha squared plus beta squared. This will simply be equal to 1 plus 9 gives us 10 over 3 plus 3 times alpha squared plus beta squared. Next, we have to find alpha squared plus beta squared. Alpha plus beta, all this squared, is simply equal to alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. Then, if we make alpha squared plus beta squared a such formula, it will simply be equal to alpha plus beta, all this squared, minus 2 alpha beta. We are going to insert it here, but first let's simplify to get the numerical value. This will imply that alpha squared plus beta squared will be equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 1, gives us 1 squared, minus 2 times alpha beta, which is 1/3. This will simply be equal to 1 squared gives us 1, which we can express as 1 over 1, minus 2 times 1/3 gives us 2/3. This will be equal to the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3 divided by 1 gives us 3 times 1, 3, minus 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 times 2, 2. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So this will be equal to 1/3. Knowing alpha squared plus beta squared as 1/3, we are going to insert it here so that we can get the value for this product. It simply means alpha plus 1 over alpha times beta plus 1 over beta will simply be equal to 10 over 3 plus 3 times alpha squared plus beta squared, which is 1/3. This 3 can be expressed as 3 over 1. Simplifying this, 3 will strike off 3. We will be left with 10 over 3 plus 1 over 1. 1 which can be expressed as 1 over 1. This will simply be equal to the LCM of the denominators is 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 times 10. 10 plus 3 divided by 1 gives us 3 times 1, 3. This will simply be equal to 10 plus 3 gives us 13 all over 3. 13 over 3, we can express it as a mixed fraction. 13 divided by 3 gives us a whole number part of 4, remainder 1. So this will give us 4 and 1/3 as the value of this product. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.